You who believe, some of those who were given the scripture would turn you into disbelievers if you were to yield to them. How can you disbelieve when God's revelations are being recited to you and His messenger is living among you? Whoever holds fast to God will be guided to the straight path. You who believe, be mindful of God as is His due, and make sure you devote yourselves to Him to your dying moment. Hold fast to God's rope altogether. Do not split into factions. Remember God's favor to you. You were enemies, and then He brought your hearts together, and you became brothers by His grace. You were about to fall into a pit of fire, and He saved you from it. In this way, God makes His revelations clear to you so that you may be rightly guided. Be a community that calls for what is good, urges what is right, and forbids what is wrong. Those who do this are the successful ones. Do not be like those who, after they have been given clear revelation, split into factions and fall into disputes. A terrible punishment awaits such people. On the day when some faces brighten and others darken, it will be said to those with darkened faces, "How could you reject your faith after believing? Taste the torment for doing so." But those with brightened faces will be in God's grace, there to remain. These are God's revelations. We recite them to you, prophet, with the truth. God does not will injustice for His creatures. Everything in the heavens and earth belongs to God. It is to Him that all things return. Believers, you are the best community singled out for people. You order what is right, forbid what is wrong, and believe in God. If the people of the book had also believed, it would have been better for them. For although some of them do believe, most of them are lawbreakers. They will not do you much harm. Even if they come out to fight you, they will soon turn tail. They will get no help. And unless they hold fast to a lifeline from God and from mankind, they are overshadowed by vulnerability wherever they are found. They have drawn God's wrath upon themselves. They are overshadowed by weakness too, because they have persistently disbelieved in God's revelation and killed prophets without any right, all because of their disobedience and boundless transgression. But they are not all alike. There are some among the people of the book who are upright, who recite God's revelations during the night, who bow down and worship. Who believe in God in the last day, who order what is right and forbid what is wrong, who are quick to do good deeds. These people are among the righteous. And they will not be denied the reward for whatever good deeds they do. God knows exactly who is conscious of Him. As for those who disbelieve, neither their possessions nor their children will help them against God. They will be companions in the fire, there to remain. And whatever they give away in this life will be nullified. A frosty wind strikes and destroys the harvest of people who have wronged themselves. It was not God who wronged them. They wronged themselves. You who believe, do not take for your intimates such outsiders as spare no effort to ruin you and want to see you suffer. Their hatred is evident from their mouths, but what their hearts conceal is far worse. We have made our revelations clear for you. Will you not use your reason? This is how it is. Here you are. You love them, but they do not love you. You believe in all the scriptures, and when they meet you, they say, "We believe." But when they are alone, they bite their fingertips in rage at you. Prophets say, "Die of rage if you wish." God knows exactly what is in everyone's hearts. They grieve at any good that befalls you, believers, and rejoice at your misfortunes. But if you are steadfast and conscious of God, their scheming will not harm you in the least. God encircles everything they do. Prophet, remember when you left your home at dawn to assign battle positions to the believers? God hears and knows everything. Remember when two groups of you were about to lose heart and God protected them? Let the believers put their trust in God. God helped you at better when you were very weak. Be mindful of God so that you may be grateful. Remember when you said to the believers, "Will you be satisfied if your Lord reinforces you by sending down 3,000 angels?" Well, if you are steadfast and mindful of God, your Lord will reinforce you with 5,000 swooping angels if the enemy should suddenly attack you. And God arranged it so. As a message of hope for you, believers, to put your hearts at rest. Help comes only from God, the mighty, the wise. And in order to cut off the flanks of the disbelievers' army and frustrate them, to make them withdraw in total defeat. Whether God relents towards them or punishes them is not for you, prophet, to decide. They are wrongdoers.